You must have heard me talking about living in 3D matrix in this world quite a lot into my videos. But have you ever wondered what it actually means when I say living in 3D matrix? To know the answer, stay tuned. Hello beautiful souls, this is Poonam Kaur and welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are going to talk about 3D matrix. Yes, this video is all about living in 3D matrix. What is 1D, 2D, 3D, 4D, 5D, how we all are living into this 3D matrix and how we can break that matrix to unlock certain powers which we, by virtue of being humans, possess naturally during our birth and which we forget after our birth on this earth. You will be surprised to know that we are the gods and the goddesses in amnesia. Yes. Now don't be surprised if I say that we are the gods and the goddesses in amnesia. How is that? We'll get to know in the later part of this video. So let's get on to 3D matrix. So when we are born on this earth and the umbilical cord is cut, we tend to forget everything about ourselves, who we actually are, why we are here, and we are conditioned into certain way. Now just see how this matrix works and how we are manipulated into living into this matrix. So when we are born, we are conditioned in a certain way. Let's say you're born into a Muslim family, then your name would be on the Muslim norms. If you're born in a Hindu family, your name would be on Hindu norms. If you are born into a Sikh family, your name would be on the Sikh family. And thereafter, the teachings that would be given to you would be purely based on those religious bases, right? On those norms. You'll be taught to behave a certain way, you would be taught to pray in a certain way, you would be behaved to eat in a certain way, you would be taught to work in a certain way. You understand what I'm talking? This is the kind of conditioning you get after you're born on this earth, and this conditioning decides the course of your future, your entire future. Now, after your mind is being conditioned in certain ways, you totally forget who you actually were before coming onto this earth and why you came on this earth. Now, once we learn that we are into 3D matrix, we forget everything else, and now how we can get out of it, I'll tell this in the later part of the video. Now I'll tell you a broad overview of what is 2D, 3D, 4D, 5D, because this is basically associated as per our livings. If we talk about 1D has got nothing, just hard matter. And in 2D there is our life as a shadow. It doesn't have the power to move on its own. It will move as per we into the 3D move, because we are the bodies into the 3D. As we move, our shadow would move exactly the same into the 2D. You understand why we often call that we are multidimensional beings? Yes, it's because we are living at the same point of time in multi-dimensions. And in 3D, we have got this body, this meat suit. So we have certain liberties. We can move on our own, we can do things on our own, we can breathe, we can eat, we can think, and we can do things in a certain way on our own. But Is that actually correct? Nah, that's not correct. We are living in 3D, but we are being controlled by somebody else. Yes, of course, as our shadow is being controlled by us being in 3D, we are being controlled by us being in 4D. Now, the way our 4D shape moves, works, that controls our mind. We are behaving exactly in that way. We think that we are doing it on our own, but my dear, that's just not correct. We are not doing anything on our own. We are conditioned in a certain way to do the things as per somebody else's will. You understand? I'll give you an example because as you might have seen that you wanted to do some other job, like you wanted to be an artist or a photographer, a singer, or you wanted to be an astronaut, but your family wanted you to be either a doctor or an engineer. So that's what you end up becoming, staying unhappy for whole your life, you know. Or maybe you wanted to become something, but you were not given those opportunities and you couldn't become anything. Yes, whereas you could become anything you just wanted to become. So you see, we think that we are doing things on our own, but the truth is we are being controlled by somebody else. Now this is called the 3D matrix. I hope you understand that. And when we go into the 5D, that's the higher dimension actually, where our higher self lives. When we get a connection into the 5D, then we can actually see that we are nothing but just the puppets into this 3D world. Yes, into this 3D layer, we are the puppets. And there is somebody in the 4D who is making us move as per their will and wish. And once we rise above into the 5D, now we can clearly see that somebody is in the 4D who is controlling us in the 3D. Now you understand how important it is to break the matrix. Once we learn that we are being controlled by our outer circumstances, our media, our parents, our society, our religion, our politics and conditioning, then we would certainly try to break this matrix. And once we break this, we will rise above and we can see that we are controlled by all these outer elements. Whereas we were born free and we were never meant to be controlled by anybody or anything else than just our pure free will, pure sense of unconditional love. You see, we hate each other. Being humans, we hate each other in the name of religion, politics, their orientation, their job, their background, the caste, creed, language, the countries, boundaries. But whereas we were not supposed to be hating each other, we were not supposed to be divided into all these different parts, you know. We were meant to be into the pure form of unconditional love. That's what our essence is. A sense of our spirit, our soul is pure light and unconditional love. Imagine this earth where everybody is full of so unconditional love. There is no division. We love each other without expecting anything out of them. We are ready to help each other all the time. Imagine how wonderful this earth would be to live in here. Now you see, if we are able to break this matrix and get in touch with our higher consciousness, this is called the Great Awakening. Yes, this is called the Great Awakening. And trust me, Great Awakening is happening right now, right here on this earth, widely. Many people are waking up to their reality. Yes. So it's wonderful to wake up to our reality, to know who we actually are, who we were before we took birth on this earth, before we were given a certain name, certain religion, certain culture, certain background. That is all becomes the base of our being. That's our ego, you know. If you meet somebody and we say, we get into an argument with somebody, we would say, do you know who I am? Do you know how much money I have? Do you know how powerful I am? Do you know who my father is? Yeah? So what is that? That is your ego. That is your ego, which is preventing you to actually see what light you are, what unconditional love you are. That's the true essence of your being. See how much manipulated you are. Not only this, how this 3D matrix works. This has its power only when your mind is manipulated in doing certain things. Like you have to do 9 to 5 job to make money, you know. Money doesn't come easily. Money doesn't grow on trees, you know. You have to work hard for this. And relationships, oh my god, that's a big pain, because people are cheating on each other. This is how it's supposed to be, because they're not satisfied with their partners, you know. The reason is they're not satisfied with their own self, because they don't know who they actually are. And trust me, once you know who you actually are, and once you are able to break this society programming, this matrix, trust me, you can become so powerful, because you already have those powers inside you. The only thing is you have forgotten about that, because your mind is being manipulated by all these outer sources. So now, if you want to break this matrix, how you do that? You just have to go within. Yes, you just have to go within, because these manipulating elements are everywhere outside, but your true essence is inside of you. And to know that, you have to start your journey within. Yes, your journey within, because all the answers and the powers lies inside. And once you know who you are, trust me, everything changes. Everything changes. You don't have to change anything, because it will change automatically. Now you understand how powerful beings we are. We are the gods and the goddesses in amnesia. We won't know this until we are awakened. And how would we awaken? Breaking this matrix. I hope this video helps. I'll see you next time. If you have any questions, queries, doubts, do let me know in the comment section below, and share this video with people who might be in need of this. I'll see you next time. Till then, stay happy, stay healthy, stay fit, and stay in high vibes. Namaste.